Yo guys, here's a weekly recap of everything that happened this week, basically. Let's start on Monday. Alright. So on Monday, I missed a good setup, because we had a 5-minute close out of London low. Whoa. Yeah, we had a 5-minute close out of London low. We then inverse this 5-minute fair value gap, retrace into equilibrium, and had a 1-minute rejection out of it. So I would have took this trade, targeted 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and that would have hit. But sadly, I missed it. That was at 8:05 a.m. So dang it. Yeah. And then this is the trade that I actually took. London high, London low. Tapped into London low, got a good reaction. That's definitely something that I would take, so I took it. Put my stop below the low, and I got stopped out. That was on Tuesday. Now the trade that I took on Wednesday, we had a 30-minute close above London high. We then tapped into the London high again and got our good rejection / reaction on that candle. So I entered, targeted 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and I got stopped out. Then on Thursday, there was no setups, nothing happened. Then today, or on Friday, we had a 5-minute close above the high, and we swept it, invalidated, inversed this fair value gap, came back, tapped into it, and got a rejection. So yeah, and this is a trade that I missed, so I would have taken that and hit 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. So that sucks I missed it. But the trade I actually took was we tapped into London high after a 30-minute close and got a small rejection. That was very dumb because the rejection was too small. Then I just took this other trade. That was very dumb. That was off nothing. So yeah, I had 4 losses this week and no wins. So pretty bad week. But I know my strategy is profitable, and if I don't miss good steps like this one, I'll easily bounce back. So yeah, that's the weekly trade recap from Monday, August 18th to Friday, August 22nd. Peace.